Skógafoss Waterfall in southern Iceland. It is one of the largest and most famous waterfalls in the country. The waterfall is located on the Skóga River and has a drop of 60 meters and a width of 25 meters. The waterfall was once on the coastline, but the ocean has since receded kilometers inland. The dense spray often creates one or more rainbows on sunny days. Visitors can climb a 527-step staircase to the top of the falls for a different perspective and access the hiking trail.